Brown man have the whole internet pan a frenzy. Brown man have everybody attack. Brown man have people a laugh. Brown man have people a cry. You get me? But wanna drop it in a comment and tell me what you think. So watch this. Me see a lot of people celebrate how brown man did have the police them a standoff. You see me I say? Like brown man have the police them a standoff like 4 hours. 4 long hours. You get me I say? Them find 2 gun pan brown man. Them find I think it was a AK and a 9mm. See? You hear a lot of people talk about how brown man have the police them weak and the soldier them weak. But let me tell you this, a lot of us have kids. And you see them gun there where them take off a brown man. Just imagine the amount of shot where brown man fire at the police and soldiers. Just imagine brown man never in him right frame of mind. Even though he wasn't in the right frame of mind. But just imagine him did go in a Mandeville town and just start fire that. Just a fire it. You see all like people them we all laugh and I make joke and let me tell you something. Things like this is not to be a joke. It's not a joke. Because them shooting are things where can traumatize you and your kids them. You get me I say? This is something where we feel make an example out of people like brown man. You get me I say? Yes. People who no care know say man have them big gun there. I want to just sit down and relax. Worse when you don't have no pitney them. I go road, I go school, I go church. You get me I say? This is not something to rejoice about. How him did have the police them pan a standoff. You see me? And all of this was caused by something simple where 2 people could have discussed and talk over. Drop it in a comment and tell me what you think.